Hello, space explorers! Welcome back to Discover with Momina, where we unravel the mysteries of the universe one story at a time. Imagine two colossal galaxies, each with billions of stars, moving closer and closer until they collide in a cosmic dance. That's the future of our Milky Way and its neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. What will happen when these two titans meet? Let's find out! The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is a sprawling collection of over 100 billion stars. About 2.5 million light-years away lies the Andromeda Galaxy, another giant spiral galaxy slightly larger than our own. Despite this enormous distance, Andromeda is racing toward us at an incredible speed of 110 kilometers per second, or nearly 400,000 kilometers per hour. At this breathtaking pace, scientists estimate that the collision between the two galaxies will begin in approximately 4 to 5 billion years. So, there's plenty of time to prepare for this cosmic event, although we as humans won't be around to see it. When galaxies collide, it's not like two solid objects crashing into each other. Galaxies are mostly empty space. Stars within them are so far apart that actual star-on-star collisions are incredibly rare. Instead, it's a gravitational tug-of-war. As Andromeda and the Milky Way approach, their shapes will distort. Massive streams of stars and gas will be flung into space, creating breathtaking cosmic fireworks. Some stars may be ejected into intergalactic space, while new stars will ignite in the chaos as clouds of gas collide and compress. This collision will ultimately result in the two galaxies merging into a brand new galaxy. Astronomers call this future galaxy Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. It won't be a beautiful spiral galaxy like the Milky Way or Andromeda, but an elliptical galaxy, a more rounded, less structured shape. What about Earth? By the time this happens, the Sun will have evolved into a red giant, making Earth uninhabitable. But if humans or their descendants have found a way to survive elsewhere, they'll witness one of the most spectacular cosmic events in history. You might be wondering, how can scientists predict something so far in the future? It's all thanks to the Hubble Space Telescope and advanced computer simulations. By observing Andromeda's speed and movement, scientists have calculated its trajectory with incredible precision, giving us a clear picture of this galactic encounter. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda reminds us of the dynamic nature of the universe. Even though it seems calm when we gaze at the night sky, the cosmos is always in motion, reshaping itself over billions of years. This event is a testament to the incredible scale of time and space, far beyond our everyday experience. So, space explorers, what do you think about the idea of our galaxy transforming into something entirely new? The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda is a powerful reminder of the ever-changing universe. If you enjoyed this journey through time and space, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover with Momina for more cosmic adventures. And let me know in the comments, what would you name the new galaxy after the collision? Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.